AMAT was trending a couple of hours ago. This is Friday, the 13th of February, 2026, pre market session. Let's see. The company disclosed its earnings outcomes and it was a beat, okay, with that fiscal Q4 2025 revenue of $7 billion, even though it's down 2% year over year, and non-GAAP EPS of $2.38 flat year over year. But shares jumped on fiscal Q1 2026 beat $7 billion revenue and 2.54 gap EPS. Okay. And then there's above consensus Q4 Q2 revenue guidance of 7.15, yeah, 7.15 to $8.15 billion. Okay. And an AI led outlook for greater than 20% 2026 semiconductor growth with margins inching higher. So AI data center demand driving strongest growth in leading edge logic, DRAM, high bandwidth, and advanced packaging. So the strong demand for memory is also spilling into them as well. It's driving growth for them. It's also driving growth for them. So the China ICAP WFE now expected flattish versus prior view of a modest decline. Okay, so NAND still greater than 10% of total wafer fab equipment spending. Okay, so let's see now. Amongst other things, but the concern is that clean room and supply chain constraints pacing upside and mix shift away from China, also tempering cross margin expansion. Yeah, amongst other things. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have. Yeah, this is that the gain of 11% out here. I mean, playing out on this 4 hour chart. Okay, so this trend is expected to remain in place. Let's see what we have. It's expected to remain in place up till let's see. It's expected to remain in place up till an hour and a half before the opening of today's regular session. After that, we might see a decline, a contraction towards the close of Tuesday, the 17th, the close of the session on the 17th of February. After that, we're looking at the continuation of the uptrend. The 40 period moving average on this daily chart, this 4 hour chart, is also expected to continue to rise. Okay, let's see what we have. The stock is trading way outside of its market greed. So let's see now. It's indicating here that it might pull back. So we're looking at around 352.5, 352.91, 352. It's way outside of this grid. It's way outside. Let's see now. Are there any supports around there? There are some. Okay, I can't really see anything. Previous supports. Yeah, even this pullback is okay. What if it pulls back? You never know. It could still come down towards 342.54. This is where its three period moving average is indicating. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see now. Um, let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. Sorry, daily chart. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Unfortunately, it didn't get it right. It was saying that today was going to be a down day. It's going to be an up day. But yesterday declined by 3.38%. And the market grid is, let's see what it's giving us. Let's see whether it's still accommodating this price. 354, between 354 and, let's see. Current price is 367, 367. No, it has exceeded the market grid. So yeah, okay, yeah. If it pulls back, we are looking at the prospects of getting support around 354, 354. Yeah, we saw the pullback on the daily on the 4 hour chart. So this might be where it might get support 35, and then yeah, you can see there's a decent amount of support there. It's not that bad. 354, 350, 350. Sorry, 354, 35, 350. Yeah, it might pick up a support from there. That might be where that pivot might occur around this sort of level. But there's no guarantee that that will be the case. It may well defy this the extrapolation that is saying that it might contract today. It may defy that and still advance further. So currently, the projections are saying beginning from the least 312.01, 316.77, 324.46. Then upper projections we have are saying 376.13, 409.99, 430.91. Okay, yeah, let's see. It has already advanced beyond these projections. This the projection we have here. It's now at 367. This is now an all-time high. Even it's not. Sorry, 52-week high 368. Up the gain is now 12%. So 368 is surely a 52-week high, if not even an all-time high. Okay, let's see now. Before now, this is the market greed. Let's see whether we have anything here. This is the weekly chart. The weekly chart is not as active. Yeah, okay. 356 as well. Yeah, it's a sort of we're seeing that price again coming up again on the weekly chart. So there's a chance we might if it gets close to that sort of level, it might pick up a bounce. I'm trying to see if this is its all-time high. I may be asking for too much. Well, surely it is a 52-week high. It's now at 52-week highs. Yeah, 52-week highs. Surely, yes. But in any case, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might contract towards the third, begin to contract from let's see now, from the 2nd of March, and then maybe from the 30th, from the 6th of April, it might attempt to bounce again, and maybe hold it up till the 1st of June. That's a long time to come. We'll see. So yes, as things stand right now, the stock is was trending a couple of hours ago, not trending right now. Not trending right now. Not currently not trending. Probabilities we don't have enough data because the stock is now at no man's land. We don't have enough moving averages to determine some of those probabilities. So yes, higher prices may well go ahead and continue to print, and it may well be a contraction, just as the algos are suggesting here. That one may play out by from today's trading session. That it may begin to contract much of this expansion. You never know, and they may well even align with well, what are the odds of it giving up all the gains? The daily chart is saying that it's going to decline today, but I really doubt it. I'm sure it's going to maintain this strength up to the end of today's trading session. Yeah, but at the same time as well, this yeah, even though it's saying it's going to contract, it doesn't mean that it's going to be a down day. So if it contracts, it may still be it may still be up. It may still be up from the close of yesterday's trading session. Yeah, so let's see how all of this will pan out. And thank you very much for watching this video.